Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to create a GetResponse account. GetResponse is a powerful all-in-one marketing platform designed to help businesses grow. It offers email marketing, landing pages, and automation tools to connect with your audience. Setting up your account is a straightforward process, and you can begin exploring its features in just a few minutes. Let's dive into the simple steps to get you started today. Starting your GetResponse journey is incredibly simple. First, navigate to the GetResponse website and locate the Sign Up Free button. You'll then be prompted to enter your name, email address, and choose a strong password. The best part? You get a generous 30-day free trial to explore all premium features, and no credit card information is needed to begin. This allows you to experience the platform completely risk-free. Once you've submitted your initial details, the next crucial step is account activation. Head over to your email inbox, where you'll find a confirmation email from GetResponse. Simply click the activation link provided to verify your account. After verification, you'll be asked to fill in a few more basic profile details, such as your country and address, which helps tailor your experience. This quick process ensures your account is fully ready for use. With your account activated, you'll land on your personalized GetResponse dashboard. This is your central command center for all marketing efforts. Take some time to explore key features like setting up email campaigns, designing landing pages, and automating your workflows. During your 30-day free trial, you can manage up to 500 contacts and send up to 2,500 emails, giving you ample opportunity to test everything out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.